data output is count. After that, the interface part is there. Interface, what is interface, already explained by the Surabhi. So here interface we create, give the now name as a counter if, where input bit clock is there, logic data, logic UPD, logic reset, logic load. The you start with the writing the clocking part and end up with the end clocking. We write here the we monitor clocking part block. So like that, this is a design part over, and the next part is the text bin. Text bin contains the counter package. Package is a contain many files, like we define here the integer type number of transition that is assigned as a one value, and it includes the counter transition file, counter generator file, counter write, counter read, counter model, counter environment, and this package end up with the end package. First we are instantiate the interface, that is counter ef du I ef clock, declare the handle for the test as a test underscore h, instantiate the dv. Okay. So after the begin the initially began, it's create the object for test and pass the interface instance as the arguments, and after that call the task build and run, and after calling the task build and run, generate the clock which we instantiate as a 0 bit up, and the inter this module is completed with end module. And next is that we created the class, that is class in underscore environment, where we created the virtual counter interfacing, and here is a mailbox, that is counter underscore transition generator to here equal to new, and like that uh, we construct the handles of generator, write monitor, read monitor, reference model, scoreboard. This is a build task functions. This is another file is counter generator. Here I created the class counter generator and counter transition generator, the mailbox, and also mailbox is there, counter transfer. Here you can see that data to screen that display the randomized data. Randomized data in that is randomly generated data. After that there is a class counter model also there. Counter class model mailbox counter underscore transition WR2 RM. Now here virtual task start function is there, which call the count reference data, and it's where end with the end task, like that. Counter underscore read file is there, read coding is there, which passes the following properties as the input requirement. Pass the virtual interface sender to mailbox as argument to make the connections. Now this is a counter transition file where the counter underscore trans as a class name is created. It's randomized the logic data which already we declare in the that pack environment file, and randomize the logic upload, logic clock, logic. So this rand function uses for the randomize the data. Certainly there is a static data also is there. Static data nothing is the constant data for the whole program. And using display we can display the message, all things. So this is the output file where uh, we successfully done the simulation part on EDA playground. So this is the output file. Thank you.